Welcome to the tropical paradise of Mauritius, where crystal-clear waters meet pristine sandy beaches under the warm embrace of the sun. Nestled in the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean, Mauritius is a jewel of an island known for its natural beauty, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality. Mauritius is a diverse island nation, boasting a varied landscape that includes lush forests, rolling hills, and dramatic coastlines. Its volcanic origins have sculpted the island into a paradise of breathtaking beauty. Dominating the landscape are the island's central mountains, including the iconic peaks of Pieter Both and Le Morne Brabant. These towering summits offer stunning views and exhilarating hiking opportunities for adventurers. Le Monde holds significant historical importance in Mauritius, particularly during the era of the slave trade. Originally established as a hub for trading goods, it became a central point for the exchange of commodities and people. Le Monde played a pivotal role in the transatlantic slave trade, serving as a primary location where enslaved individuals were bought and sold. Today, Le Monde stands as a symbol of resilience and cultural heritage, reflecting Mauritius' complex history and the enduring spirit of its people. While its past is fraught with hardship, Le Monde now serves as a reminder of the island's journey towards freedom and equality. It is often visited by locals and tourists alike, offering insights into Mauritius' rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. Efforts have been made to preserve Le Monde as a heritage site, ensuring that future generations can learn from its history and honor the legacy of those who passed through its shores. Exploring Port Louis, a melting pot of culture and commerce. Welcome to Port Louis, the vibrant capital city of Mauritius. With its bustling streets and picturesque harbor, Port Louis is a reflection of the island's rich history and dynamic culture. Home to a diverse population and serving as the economic hub of Mauritius, this cosmopolitan city offers a fascinating blend of tradition and modernity. With a population of over 140,000 people, Port Louis is not only the largest city in Mauritius, but also its administrative and economic center. Boasting one of the best economies in Africa, Mauritius has flourished as a global business destination, attracting investors and entrepreneurs from around the world. Despite its bustling atmosphere, Port Louis remains one of the safest cities in Africa, making it an ideal destination for travelers seeking both adventure and tranquility. As you wander through its streets, you'll encounter a tapestry of cultures, reflecting the island's diverse heritage and history of colonization. From its colonial architecture to its vibrant markets and colorful festivals, Port Louis offers a glimpse into the heart and soul of Mauritius. So come, join us as we explore the sights and sounds of this dynamic city, where every corner tells a story and every moment is a celebration. Our journey begins with a visit to the iconic Black River Gorges National Park. Covering almost 3% of the island, Black River Gorges National Park is named after the black stones that line its river. Located in southwest Mauritius, the park covers lowland forest, marshy heathland, and the last portion of ebony forest that once covered the entire island. It's laced with hiking trails that range from half-hour rambles to more challenging day-long routes. Lose yourself in its dense forests, home to endemic flora and fauna found nowhere else on Earth. When you argue with me, I just gotta leave. I'm grabbing the door and smack, I will be back, I promise that. 'Cause I'm missing the night. Next on our itinerary is the mesmerizing Seven Colored Earths, a geological marvel located in Chamarel. Nature has its own way of piquing our curiosity, and Chamarel's Seven Colored Earth has something surreal to offer that will tickle your imagination. Revealing 600 million years of history, the first and main geopark of the island is a true spectacle of nature. One of the most iconic attractions in Mauritius, the Land of Seven Colors at Chamarel offers a unique experience not only for geology and nature lovers, but also for those who want to better understand this rare geological phenomenon. You will be impressed by the shades of color and the harmony that characterizes this place. No visit to Mauritius is complete without witnessing the awe-inspiring Chamarel Waterfall. Plunging over 100 meters into a lush gorge, this natural wonder enchants visitors with its raw beauty and tranquil surroundings. Whether you're exploring the winding trails of Black River Gorges, marveling at the colorful sands of Chamarel, or standing in awe of the cascading waters of Chamarel Waterfall, Mauritius promises unforgettable experiences at every turn. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through Mauritius, uncovering hidden gems and must-visit destinations. Ganga Taleo, commonly known as Grand Bassin in Mauritius, is a crater lake, about 550 meters above sea level, located in the mountainous southwest district of Savan, 36 kilometers from Port Louis. This serene and sacred oasis holds deep cultural significance for the Mauritian people, often referred to as the Ganga Taleo, or the Ganges of Mauritius. On the shoreline sits a temple along with a collection of small shrines dedicated to Lord Shiva and other gods. Ganga Taleo is a major draw of crowds in Mauritius, with many people visiting the site to pray, meditate, play with the local monkeys, or simply to walk by the lake and enjoy the gorgeous surrounding views. The Lake of Ganga Taleo is thought to be around 18 meters deep and is teeming with a healthy population of fish and eels, no doubt due to the leftover offerings they receive from Hindu pilgrims. However, it is strictly forbidden to fish here due to the sacred nature of the Ganga Taleo lake. Legend has it that the lake formed when a Hindu saint filled a crater with water from the sacred Ganges River in India. Since then, it has been a place of pilgrimage for devotees, who come to pay homage to Lord Shiva during the Mahashivaratri festival. Grand Bassin Lake is not only a spiritual site but also a natural marvel, boasting crystal clear waters and a tranquil atmosphere that invites contemplation and reflection.
When you argue with me, I just gotta leave. I'm grabbing the door and smack, I will be back, I promise that. 'Cause I'm missing the nights, now I know what I need. So baby, let me soak in the lights. Gotta look in my eye, take me back to the old me. I wanna be free, I just wanna be me. In my fantasy, I am ready, soon I will be.
Whether you're seeking spiritual solace or simply admiring the beauty of nature, a visit to Grand Bassin Lake promises an unforgettable experience that resonates with the soul. Welcome to Casela Nature Parks, nestled in the scenic southwest corner of Mauritius, just 24 kilometers from the vibrant capital of Port Louis. Spread across 350 hectares, Casela Nature Parks is home to a plethora of indigenous plant species, including rare endemic palms and aromatic herbs. It's a haven for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts alike. Let's take a quick look at what activities are on offer. Casela's Thrill Mountain brings you a delightful range of mountain and rope activities. All Thrill Mountain activities provide an immersive experience amidst the natural wonders of the Mauritian West. Each leap offers unparalleled views of the mesmerizing west coast of Mauritius. glide through the awe-inspiring valleys on our exhilarating ziplines, and enjoy a unique perspective of the landscape below and around. Ascend to new heights and witness the stunning panoramas of the West Coast canyons. Looks like a lot of fun. Do you agree? Casela Nature Parks offers several fun ways to get closer to animals of the African safari. Choose between our zebra bus, safari quad, or safari eco rider. You will get the chance to see many African animals, with the magnificent Rempart Mountain in the background. The Tolawaka Gold Coaster is a unique summer luge running on a 760-meter track and includes a cable lift hill, as well as vertiginous descents and bends, that will give thrill seekers an exciting ride with a breathtaking view of the west coast of Mauritius. The Predator Kingdom is really a once-in-a-lifetime activity. At the Predator Kingdom, Safari Adventures brings you the best of the big cats experiences in Mauritius. This is a unique opportunity for visitors to have once-in-a-lifetime experience. Big cats encounters include walking with lions, interaction with cheetah, caracal and serval, feeding the lions, and the drive-through to see tigers and lions in their natural habitat. One of the highlights of Casela is its fascinating wildlife encounters. From majestic lions and playful zebras to colorful birds and cheeky monkeys, you'll have the opportunity to get up close and personal with a diverse array of creatures in their natural habitat. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a connection with nature, Casela Nature Parks offers an unforgettable experience that celebrates the natural wonders of Mauritius. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour of Casela Nature Parks and feel inspired to explore the wonders of Mauritius. Which of these activities would you love to experience firsthand? Let us know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create more engaging content tailored to your interests. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Mauritian culinary delights. Mauritian cuisine is a delectable fusion of flavors, reflecting the island's rich cultural and historical influences. The culinary scene in Mauritius is a tantalizing journey that combines traditional recipes with a diverse range of ingredients, resulting in a unique and vibrant gastronomic experience. The cuisine of Mauritius is a delightful reflection of its multicultural population, which includes Indian, African, Chinese, and European influences. This diversity is evident in the wide array of dishes that grace Mauritian tables, creating a culinary symphony that caters to everyday palates. One cannot truly experience Mauritian cuisine without indulging in the irresistible street food offerings. The aromatic stalls and bustling markets showcase the island's culinary prowess. Mauritian dal puri, a flatbread filled with ground split peas and served with various chutneys, and gâteau piment, deep-fried lentil cakes with chili, are popular street food staples that provide a burst of Creole-style food with its bold and spicy flavors, is a cornerstone of Mauritian gastronomy. Dishes like regale, a tomato-based sauce with meat or fish, and the iconic bouillon, bring together aromatic spices and fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Indian influences are prevalent in dishes as biryani, samosas, and dal puri, showcasing a love of spices and intricate cooking techniques. Given its location in the Indian Ocean, Mauritius boasts an abundance of fresh seafood. The island's culinary repertoire includes delectable seafood dishes such as grilled octopus, fish vindé, a spicy fish curry, and the famous Mauritian-style bouillabaisse, known as bouillon poisson. Seafood lovers will find themselves in culinary paradise, as they savor the ocean's bounty prepared with local spices and flavors. Mauritian desserts are a celebration of sweetness and texture. Tropical fruits, coconuts, and local spices infuse desserts with a unique Mauritian twist. The traditional sweet treats include gâteau coco, coconut cake, and alauda. Alauda is a sweet drink made with milk, basil seeds, and agar-agar jelly. And the irresistible sweet and sticky dal puri for those with a sweet tooth. Chinese cuisine also plays a significant role in Mauritius, contributing flavors such as soy, ginger, and various cooking techniques. Dishes like mine frite fried noodles, crispy duck, and various dim sum offerings have become favorite parts of the Mauritian culinary landscape. Mauritius has recognized the culinary appeal of its diverse food offerings, leading to the rise of culinary tourism. Visitors can embark on a gastronomic journey that explores local markets, engages with street food vendors, and savors the creations of talented chefs who blend traditional with innovation in upscale restaurants. Whether enjoying street food delights, indulging in Creole and Indian dishes, enjoying fresh seafood, or relishing sweet endings, the culinary experience in Mauritius is a feast for the senses that reflects the island's unique Experience the rhythms of Sega dance. Get ready to immerse yourself in the cultural heartbeat of Mauritius with Sega dance. This traditional dance form, accompanied by the rhythmic beats of local music, embodies the spirit and soul of the island. Join us as we explore the vibrant world of Sega dance, where every move tells a story and every rhythm ignites the senses. Flic and Flac Beach, located on the western coast of Mauritius, is renowned for its breathtaking beauty and tranquil atmosphere. Stretching for nearly 8 kilometers along the coastline, this pristine beach offers soft white sand and crystal clear waters, perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. The calm and shallow lagoon at Flic and Flac makes it an ideal spot for families with children, while adventure seekers can enjoy activities like snorkeling, diving, and parasailing. The vibrant coral reefs just off the shore are teeming with marine life, providing an incredible underwater experience for snorkelers and divers. In addition to its natural beauty, Flic and Flac Beach boasts a lively beachfront scene with a variety of restaurants, bars, and shops lining the shore. Visitors can indulge in delicious local cuisine, sip on tropical cocktails, or browse for souvenirs at the beachside stalls. For those looking to relax, the beach offers plenty of space to lay down a towel and bask in the sun. Meanwhile, adventurers can take advantage of water sports available from wind surfing to kayaking, making the visit to Flic and Flac a unique experience. Flic and Flac is a place to live in the moment, whether that is sharing laughter with friends, making memories with family, or simply enjoying the solitary water along the shore. It's a simple reminder of the pleasures in life, against one of Mauritius's most picturesque scenes. The Hilton Mauritius Resort and Spa is a luxurious destination situated in the beautiful seaside village of Flic and Flac. The stunning beach and views are hard to beat. If you prefer to relax by the pool or on the beach, the resort is dotted with comfy sun lounges, perfect for a day doing nothing. The resort is made up of luxurious rooms and suites, each with beautiful views. When it comes to dining, the resort has 3 restaurants to choose from. Head to He Bar for tapas and cocktails, or enjoy authentic Thai cuisine in Ginger Thai. There is also a smart casual main restaurant, serving a wide range of delicious favorites, and a choice of relax bars to enjoy post-dinner drinks. If you are looking to relax and unwind, the spa has a range of indulging treatments, as well as a hydrotherapy spa, a sauna, steam room, and whirlpool.
I promise you I'll come back home. What happened to me? I just want
Belle Mare Beach, located on the serene east coast of Mauritius, is a breathtaking stretch of coastline known for its pristine beauty and tranquil atmosphere. With its soft, powdery white sand and shimmering turquoise waters, Belle Mare Beach offers an idyllic setting for relaxation and recreation. Surrounded by swaying palm trees and lush tropical vegetation, the beach provides ample opportunities for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. Whether you're seeking a romantic escape, a family-friendly adventure, or simply a peaceful retreat, Belle Mare Beach has something for everyone. So come and immerse yourself in the natural splendor of Belle Mare Beach, and experience the beauty and tranquility of Mauritius' eastern coast. Miles of powder white beaches hug the coast at Belle Mare, where championship golf courses, posh resorts, a family-friendly water park and abundant aquatic sports ensure activity-filled days. Deep-sea fishing for tuna, marlin and mako shark is especially popular in this eastern Mauritius enclave. Belle Mare also serves as a convenient base camp for a trek to 1,575-foot Lion Mountain, where sweeping views reward those who make the challenging hike to its peak.
Take me back to the old me. I wanna be free. I just wanna be me. In my fantasy. I am ready, soon I will be free. When you argue with me, I just gotta leave. I'm grabbing the door and smack, I will be back, I promise that. 'Cause I'm missing the nights, now I know what I need. So baby,
The Residence Mauritius. Experience the beautiful symphony of modernity and tradition at the Residence Mauritius, a jewel of elegant refinement reminiscent of a bygone age. Indulge in the breathtaking beauty of this beachfront paradise set along a stunning stretch of pearl white sand, swept up in the warmth of Mauritian hospitality and amazing island experiences. Combining European charm with contemporary elegance, this enchanting resort inspired the island's period plantation houses, offers a true sense of place, brilliant for families and equally romantic for couples. The resort's 135 rooms and 28 suites are intimate spaces for your relaxation, decorated with an inspired blend of simplicity and elegance. Enjoy the sense of calm and restfulness. Sunlight sifting through the shutters creates a melody of light and shadow on the soft palette of white and delicate shades of beige. Large marble bathrooms add a touch of decadence, while a few drops of ylang ylang infused every evening soothes your slumber with a subtle, sensual fragrance.
I just wanna know. All of the pressure's on me building up, now I need to go. 'Cause I'm missing
Welcome to Palmar Beach and the luxurious Salt of Palmar Resort. Set on a mini peninsula along the secluded east coast of Mauritius, where soft sands and coconut trees border a blue lagoon, Salt of Palmar is a picture postcard gateway to a natural world of turquoise blue water, volcanic rocks, and phileo trees. Palmar itself is a tiny coastal town located between Belle Mare and Trudeau-Daus that has evolved more slowly than other areas, thus retaining its authenticity. The pristine beach is renowned for its natural beauty and tranquility, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists alike. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, take a leisurely stroll along the shore, or enjoy a refreshing swim in the ocean, Palmar Beach has something for everyone. Surrounded by lush tropical vegetation and swaying palm trees, Palmar Beach provides the perfect backdrop for a day of leisure and relaxation. As an adults-only boutique hotel, Salt of Palmar is dedicated to providing guests with a personalized and authentic Mauritian experience. Featuring stylish and contemporary accommodations, sustainable design, and locally inspired cuisine, Salt of Palmar embodies the essence of modern luxury with a focus on wellness, sustainability, and cultural immersion. With its stunning beachfront location, world-class amenities, and warm hospitality, Salt of Palmar Resort invites you to unwind, rejuvenate, and create unforgettable memories in paradise. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which beach from our sample caught your eye the most? And which resort would you choose for your dream getaway? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. As we conclude our journey through Mauritius, we hope you've been inspired by the beauty and tranquility of this stunning destination. Whether you're dreaming of a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, Mauritius has plenty on offer. But before you go, we have an exclusive offer for our viewers. Subscribe to our channel to receive a free copy of our Smart Travel ebook, your ultimate guide to stress-free travel. Packed with essential tips, checklists, and insider advice, this ebook is your ticket to smoother and more enjoyable journeys. Simply hit the subscribe button below and leave a comment saying, "I want the Smart Travel ebook," to claim your free copy. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your travel experience and unlock the secrets to smarter, more rewarding adventures. Thanks for joining us on our Mauritius adventure. Explore more destinations and travel tips by watching our previous videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for updates. Get your free copy of A Smart Travel for Stress-Free Journeys. See you in the next adventure.